Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tiny Hands Art. Today, we're going to draw and color a cool bulldozer step by step. Grab your pencils and let's get started. First, I draw the engine side and the operator's cabin. This forms the main body of the bulldozer. Next, I draw the exhaust on top of the cabin. This part helps release the smoke from the engine. Then, I draw the lift arm that adjusts the blade at the front. This is used to push and move things around.
Whoa!
Now, I draw the two large wheels and rims.
Nice.
These help the bulldozer move smoothly.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, nice.
Finally, I draw the window on the operator's cabin. The driver can see out from here. Now it's time to color our drawing. I use orange to color the engine side, operator's cabin, and the other side of the bulldozer.
Nice. Nice.
I use orange again to color the blade at the front for the exhaust. I use light green, and for the stand below it, I use red. The lift arm is colored red to make it stand out.
Wow! That's amazing!
I also color the rims red to match the lift arm. For the mudguard over the wheels, I use blue.
Nice.
The pipe near the back is also colored blue. The window is colored light blue to look like glass. Finally, I use red to color the two big wheels.
Amazing!
To finish off, I add a black outline to make the entire bulldozer stand out nicely.
Whoa!
That's it! Our bulldozer is ready and looking amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.